there is an agenda going on. There's a political agenda. There's a religious agenda. There's a teaching out there, and it's a newer teaching.
Israel's fight is our fight. We are one. We are united.
You're a liar is what you are. You're a false prophet is what you are.
We are Christians united for Israel. United for Israel began in February 2006 with 400 evangelical leaders in San Antonio. Today, we are the largest pro-Israel organization in America with over 1.25 million members who are ready to respond to the needs of Israel.
Support Israel! God serves people! Support Israel! Support Israel! Never! Never gonna happen! God serves people! Support Israel! Support Israel! Support Israel! Support Israel! God serves people!
Maybe I should just be silent. Maybe they don't want me to cry out. So then I was just silent. And still just tormenting me.
Support Israel! Support Israel! I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of anything. Support Israel! Support Israel! No! No! God bless people! Support Israel! Support Israel!
The victory is going to be ours.
Whoa! God's chosen people. God's chosen people. God's chosen people. Support Israel. Support Israel. That Star of David, God never told them to have that. That's not in the Bible.